Look at this question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Let us draw a rough picture. We have a line segment, right? We have a line segment AB. The coordinates of A is given as 4 comma minus 1. Coordinates of B minus 2 comma minus 3. Is that okay? Trisection. What do you mean by trisection? This line segment to be divided into 3 equal parts. Understood? This line segment to be divided into 3 equal sections. The coordinates of the points we have to find out. I will show you. Look here. Let this point be P and this point be Q, so that this distance is equal to this distance equal to this distance. If I cut the line segment at P and Q, I will get 3 equal sections, right? What are the 3 equal parts? AP, PQ and QB. I have to cut at P and Q. The coordinates of P and Q are called trisections, point of trisections. So coordinates of P and Q we have to find out. Clear? So initially I want to find coordinates of P. Clear? Initially I want to find the coordinates of P. Then later I will find out the coordinates of Q. Is that okay? Look here. AP is to PB. What is the value? Look at this picture, you can understand that. AP is to PB. If you have any confusion, let me use some letter. Let AP be some letter, say A. AP equal to A, then PQ equal to A, QB is also equal to A, right? So tell me what is AP is to PB. AP is to PB will be AP is small letter A, right? Look at that picture. PB is what? PB is A plus A. A plus A is 2A. Understood? So A cancel 1 by 2. So AP is to PB 1 is to 2. Using this ratio, I can find the coordinates of P. I have to use the section formula. P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Using section formula, I can find out P. Let me draw a separate picture, then you will not have any confusion. Okay? A is, let me draw a separate picture. What is B? B is what? Minus 2, minus 3. P is here, right? Clear? P is here. I told you that P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So above this line, you just write 1 is to 2. So first let me find out P. I don't want to show Q here. I am focusing on P only right now. So P, you have to use the section formula. Just draw the arrow and find the coordinates of P. No need to write M equal to this, N equal to that, like that. Okay, you may write the formula first. Then you just substitute the value. I mean by drawing the arrow. Okay. So they draw an arrow like this and an arrow like this. Okay. Draw 2 arrows like this. Along the arrow, just do the multiplication. Along the arrows. 1 into minus 2, right? 1 into minus 2. First of all, you may write the formula. Okay. I'm not writing the formula. You may write the formula. Okay. So step is required. That's why mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay. So along the arrow, you do the multiplication. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Initially, we multiply with the x coordinate. 1 into minus 2, minus 2, plus. And along this arrow, do the multiplication. with the x coordinate. Initially 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Then 2 into 4 is there, right? 2 into 4 is 8. Denominator we know m plus n. 1 plus 2. The ratios just add, we just add the ratio 1 plus 2, 3. In the same way, do the cross multiplication with the y coordinate along the arrow. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Divide by sum of the ratio. 1 plus 2, that is 3. So the coordinates of P will be, this is 6 by 3, 2, comma, this is minus 5 by 3, isn't it? Yes, minus 5 by 3. 1 point of trisection is okay. Then I want the Q, coordinates of Q I want. So look here, to find out Q, you need not look at P, okay? No need to look at P. AQ is to QB. What is the ratio? AQ is to QB. Let me write here. AQ is to QB. Because Q divide AB in some ratio. Understood? Q divide AB in some ratio. That ratio I want to find out. Look at that picture. AQ will be A plus A. Isn't it? The distance between A and Q will be A plus A. 2A divided by QB. QB is A. A is cancelled. 2 by 1. Or 2 is to 1. Hence, I can say that Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Let me draw a separate diagram. A and B are given to us. 4 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma minus 3. Q is here. Understood? Q is here. Q, in what ratio Q divides AB? 2 is to 1. In the ratio 2 is to 1, Q divides AB. So using section formula, you can find out Q. Initially, you may write the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Then after that, you can write the value. First of all, draw arrows like this. Okay, this is the first step. This is the easiest way. So along the arrow, do the multiplication. 2 into minus 2. Multiply with the x coordinates only initially. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Plus 1 into 4. 1 into 4, 4. Divide by m plus n. Ratio to be added. 2 plus 1, 3. Comma. The same way, do the cross multiplication with the y coordinate. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 1. The ratio to be added. We get Q will be 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So we got the points of trisection. After this, you may write one more sentence that the points of trisections are P 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and Q 0 comma minus 7 by 3.